Guys, today I'm sharing the reveal of my home office and study. Today is the day that I will be sharing my home office / study transformation. So if you guys are interested in seeing how everything turned out, keep watching this video. So guys, let's go ahead and get started with the tour. If you're not caught up on my past videos, you might want to go and catch up, because that's where I share some of the details of where I purchased most of the items for this room. I have several home good hauls and Goodwill hauls. Now, if you guys are new to my channel this year, then you may not have known what this room looked like a year ago. So I will insert a clip. And then, as you guys can see, I painted this bookcase. So there's no overhead lighting. The furnishings were dark, as well as the walls. So I did a quick transformation through paint and accessories. You can tell the light is going in and out as I speak, and so painting this room lighter and painting the desk a little lighter helped a little bit, but I still need to look into an overhead light. So on top of the cabinet are more Goodwill finds that I transformed. You'll have to go back and check out those videos for the original look. So as you tour the space, you will see that I have tried to bring in colors from the artwork. Because when you have an inspiration piece and you choose colors from your inspiration, you will for sure have a cohesive space. And if anyone is interested, this art piece is by Sarah Brooks. And I got it from Home Goods. And so even though the art piece was pretty neutral, it did have a little metallic and it had some texture. And so that's what I tried to do here in the bookcase. I brought in the metallics through the candlesticks, and then two of the kind of an antique vintage looking bottles. And then I brought in texture through the branches, through the art sculptures up top, as well as the horse, and then various other items throughout the bookcase. There was a hint of a peach tone, and so I brought that in through the candles, which I happened to find at the checkout counter at Home Goods. And then guys, I am burning this candle from Target, and this smells so good. It's not necessarily a fall scent, but it smells good. It's tea tree spearmint. And so even though I am using neutral colors and a little bit of texture, I still tried to bring fall in through a few pumpkins sprinkled around the room, but in a neutral color. So guys, as you noticed, I kept both sets of pillows. I thought the stripe added a nice touch to this side of the room. It wasn't my plan, but sometimes that's how things work out. And speaking of things working out, I found this picture at the Goodwill for $2.50. and it had a black frame on it, and I painted the frame in a neutral color, and I think it fits in great. You guys may remember the vase on the left that I recently hauled from Home Goods. It does have a matching vase that's a little smaller that I may go back and get. I saw two different versions of it at two different Home Goods, so hopefully when I go back I will find the mate. It was slightly different, but just enough to make it interesting. Now these chairs I had planned on changing, but they seem to fit in okay, so they are safe for now. So guys, as much as I wanted to use the dark curtains, I really had to use these lighter ones because the darker ones was just draining the space, draining the light out of the space. And I actually like these much better because there is a little texture to these, and I thought the darker ones just was flat looking. So I do have a few more details that I would like to bring into the space. This lamp, you guys might remember, was a Goodwill find, and I did a transformation on that, and I talked about that in a previous video. And so I had originally wanted it to go in this space, and it does look very nice here, but I'm not sure if it's too tall. I think I want a shorter lamp, and I did see one in Home Goods, but I didn't get it because I thought this one would work okay, but I don't like the way that it covers up the picture. So I will replace this lamp. As much as I love the way it looks here, I think I need to replace it. And then when my husband sits here, he likes to put his feet up on an ottoman. And so I need to purchase a poof or some sort of ottoman for this area between the chairs. And I saw one, I just haven't had a chance to pick it up. So when I do my tour, I hope to have those two things in the space. So when you see the tour, just remember, I always add things different than what you may have seen in like a room tour. You can probably already tell this is a difficult room to record, so I'm going to finish out the tour in a walkthrough. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you guys enjoy the tour, and I will see you in the next one.